everybody, welcome back to my channel. Oh, okay, I'm so excited for today's video. So in today's video, I will be reviewing Mented Cosmetics, and I want to thank Mented so much for sending me some of their lippies. I'm so excited. Mented Cosmetics is a black owned brand, and they really specialize in makeup, of course, for women of color, but also to just really accentuate the natural beauty that us women possess with just nice nudes and taupes and browns and bronzes. And I am definitely a nude girl. I will link everything in the description bar down below in regards to Mented Cosmetics. And I'm super duper, I don't think y'all understand, I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop into this video, and I'm gonna zoom y'all in just a smidget so we can get started on some of these lippies. Okay. First of all of these lipsticks are semi matte, which is not super matte, but it does have a nice little, a smidget of a sheen to it. It helps really to moisturize your lips. So first I'm gonna start with Pretty in Pink, and this is what it looks like. You guys can see that, and it's a very natural pink lip. And when you get any lipstick, do not ever roll it all the way up like this. Kind of just bring it down about like right here, because you do not want the lipstick to fall apart whatsoever. Okay, so I'm gonna take Pretty in Pink and I'm gonna try it. And this is my first time trying any of these lips. I haven't touched any of them, so let's get started. Let's see. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes, ma'am. This is a pink. This is a natural, everyday pink. I'm not really too big on like bubblegum pinks. I've really always been looking for a nice, simple but pink lip. Like it looks like my lips. Ooh. Pro tip: whenever you are doing your makeup and you're doing your lips too, you can take your foundation or whatever you use to put on your foundation and come up your lips. That way your lips are muted and you get a better color payoff for whatever lip you're gonna put on. With our natural lip color, you don't really get the best color payoff with your lipstick, and you feel like you wasted your money. The next color I'm gonna try is Nude Lala, and I bought this color before, and this is what it looks like. She is so pretty, and I've used this in my, I think my foundation routine video, but I don't think I mentioned the color. I have this, I think, in the matte, but not in the semi-matte. Oh, let's see. Ooh. See, this is really pretty, and I knew I bought this color for a reason. When I have another one, it's the matte finish, but I love the semi matte finish, honey. Ooh, she is so cute. Whoever came up with this concept and the formula and the colors, y'all deserve a blessing from Jesus. The next color is gonna be Dope Taupe. Okay, this is pretty. Okay, okay. Oh, whoa, okay. We like her. We like her. We like her a lot. So yes, we like her a whole lot because she is like super duper cute. So yes, this is Dope Taupe, and I don't know which one I want to rock tonight. So the next shade we're gonna do is Foxy Brown, and she's brown. She's very warm. She has like some reddish bricky brown undertones. I don't know what type of description that was. Oh, okay. Now, Mented, ain't nobody tell y'all. Nobody told y'all to do this to me. Ooh, sis, you did not come to play. All right, I love nudes. I love browns. I like muted pinks. I like mauves. I like peachy colors. I'm just a nude person. It's very rare that you see me with any type of color and any dark color. And this, oh, girl. This is so, she cute. So the next shade I'm gonna try is Mented number 5, and I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand first. Oh, so okay, so this is definitely more on the purple mauve side than Dope Taupe, because Dope Taupe is a little bit warmer than Mented number 5. Actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and swatch Dope Taupe. Dope Taupe, I mean, no pun intended, is more taupey, but it's a little bit more warm than Mented number 5. So yeah, so this is Mented number 5, and this is Dope Taupe. So yeah, I like both of them, but I feel like Mented number 5 is going to be more on the grungy side, which I'm really excited about. So let's see. Okay, Mented. This is absolutely gorgeous. And as I'm looking in the mirror and in my viewfinder, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the mauviness is reflecting on my eyeshadow, which is reflecting on my eyes, which is really bringing out the green in my eyes. Oh my gosh. This is it. I think I might do Mented number 5 tonight when I go out. So this is absolutely gorgeous. I am here for this. This is beautiful. Low-key, I don't want to take it off, but we have to because we got to move on to the next one. Last but not least, the next color is Dark Night, and I'm going to swatch Dark Night too. Oh, this is Dark Night, and this is very, very chocolate. I don't like dark lipsticks on me. I feel like it ages me. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Ooh. Okay. Bet. Okay. Mented, we beefing. I can rock with this. I can really rock with this brown. It's not too much. It's not overpowering. It's not too minimalistic. It gives the best pigment. This is absolutely stunning. I love this. This brown is the perfect brown. And I know in the matte formula it is, I bet it is gorgeous. Oh my God. I feel attacked because, you know, I'm addicted to makeup and nudes and lippies. So the fact that I've been victimized by Mented Cosmetics. Okay, everybody, that concludes the end of this Mented Cosmetics review. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed trying these out. This is a first impressions video, and this, honestly, this brand, I've been following them for, I think all year I've been following them. And when I tell you that I 100% believe in this brand, yes, because they are Black owned, and yes, it is owned by women, but also the love and care that they put into their products to make us women of color, black and brown girls, feel good and confident about ourselves, and that we can go to work looking just as bomb. Thank you, Mented Cosmetics, for sending me these lipsticks. I'm so excited to wear them. I don't even know where to start first. Right now I'm wearing Pretty in Pink. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos with friends and family, and hit the notification bell so you never ever miss an upload. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. I love you, and I will see y'all in my next video, and Happy New Year. Bye.